Hello techies. So today we are going to learn our project based learning part 3rd. In this we are going to automate our website. We have already downloaded the output file in our previous video. So on the output file we will fetch the details, and from that detail we find out the auction ID, and on the base of auction ID we will search the further record from that portal. So let's see in practical. So we have completed from here, and for the remaining part we have invoke get detail workflow activity. In this we are invoking the XAML file get details. That on that XAML file, first it read the output file from this. Let's open the location. So in our previous task we export the data from the portal. Now the second workflow will read the output. Let's open the file. This file have these details: auction ID, size, sector, city, registration start and date, base price, EM value, and these kind of detail this file have. So from this file we fetch the auction ID, and we will click on this button. Then auction ID we will fill in this auction ID text box and click on the search button. Once we click, then we have an option, and this is a link. We will click on this link and got the another pop-up window. From this window we will fetch the base price, EMD value, minimum bid increment value, close this, and we will repeat this task for the rest of the auction ID which belongs to the Faridabad city or any other city. So first, read range activity. With this read range activity we create a table in DT all auction detail. Now we will create a filter, and if we go to the activity panel, if I click on the filter data table, in the filter data table what we have to do: first, auction city would contain Faridabad and auction size contain Marla. Marla is the keyword for our filtration. So we will filter on the base of two auction ID and the auction size, and output column would be the same as if you want to filterize or if you want to desire output, so you can do that. Otherwise auction ID, size, sector, city, registration started and date. And we will store this filter data table in DT filter result. This is a log activity, and because right now we have DT filter table have 5 columns, we need other column like base price, EMD value, and minimum bid increment value. So these 3 columns we have added in our filter data table. And DT filter result is a table where all the record of this Excel sheet which belongs to a Faridabad contain. For this example we have 29 record. That's why we use the for each loop. For each 29, what it will do, it will open the browser. Under the browser, click on the auction ID. Which auction ID? This icon. And once a pop-up window is open, then fill the auction ID in that particular. Bot will click on this and find out the auction ID. Under this option, in this text box, it will fill the auction ID. Then click on the search button. So once click on the search button, then we have a particular detail like this. Then the bot will click on this. So we use the click activity. under once the bot click on the click activity, then new pop-up window is open. So from that pop-up window we use the get text activity, which able to fetch the base price, EMD value, minimum bid value. Then we click on the close, and the three columns which we have added, current row base price, EMD value, minimum bid value, we specify the value which is received by the get input get text activity. Then it will repeat for 29 case, because we have 29 record. It will repeat for all record, and at last for the same input sheet it will create a new sheet, sheet 2. In that sheet DT filter result will save with add header option check. Means it's also add the headers. If I go to the sheet 2, this is a sheet 2, I just renamed, but it's a sheet 2. 5 column details are already part of sheet 1. 3 column we have added at a runtime. Then the value fetched by the bot from that portal is saved into the 3 columns. Hope you will like this. If any other confusion you have, please let me know in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. Thank you.